Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will show you how to adjust the inventory. Okay, so whenever you adjust the inventory for any product, so what will be the reflect in the accounting? So, first I'm showing the configuration, how to create the valuation, and what will be the cost if you do the inventory adjustment in the Odoo. So, let's start without any waste any time. Okay, so I'm install all the module, but in the inventory module there you can see the master data like a product and locations and product categories. And one more thing, if you want to do maintain the accounting, then you need to install accounting module. Okay, after that, go to the inventory module. This is the inventory module. Here go to the configuration. Once you go to the configuration, there you can see the product categories. Click on the product categories. Okay, once you go to the product category, here you can see list of the categories. So simply I'm going to click on booking fees category. Okay, so here you can see the costing method is the standard price. If I'm do the average cost, okay, or if I'm do the first in first out, or you can set the average cost, standard price. Okay, but here is not showing the valuation automatic creation. So this feature need to enable in the settings. Go to the inventory and go to the setting. You need to develop mode is on. Okay, so go to the accounting module and scroll down. See, automatic accounting, need to click on automatic accounting. Once you click on the automatic accounting, here some fields is enable. Okay, stock valuation account and stock general and stock input account and output, and also the production account. Here you can set by default what will be the account is reflect in the inventory. Okay, so let's I'm going to save. Okay, once I save the automatic accounting feature in the system, then go to the inventory module. Okay, I'm go to the inventory module and again go to the categories, product category. And one more thing, here you can see the valuation report. This is the valuation report. Here you can see the actual cost, what will be the actual cost for the product. Okay, so here you can see the product quantity updated. So it means that someone is adjust the inventory. Okay, so if you want to see the valuation at a specific date, you can see, click on the valuation at date and set the date. You can see the specific date of the valuation. Okay, so let's I'm going to the configuration again and go to the product category. I'm opening the one category. Here you can see the inventory valuation. Now is the manual. If it's manual, you need to create the valuation accounting entry. Adjustment entry is a manual. If you set the automated here, then it will be the create automatically. Okay, so here the stock valuation account and stock general account and input and output. So input account, whenever your stock is increase, it means input account will be the credit. If your stock will be the decrease, then stock output account will be the debit. Okay, so this is the simple configuration, and also the stock valuation account is a debit and credit based on the inventory adjustment. Okay, let's go to the product master data and I'm going the product variance. Now click on the new button. I'm creating a new product as a fresh. Okay, so product name is a table. Okay, table 4. Okay, let's save and also set here the category. What category need to select here, like which, okay, booking. Okay, table set. Okay, this is the table set product. I'm save, and this product cost will be the 20. I'm set this product cost is a 20. Okay, let's show you the evaluation report first. Okay, and also this product will be the storable. Let's set the storable goods. Service. See here the track inventory. If you want to track the inventory, you need to click on here this button. It means that your quantity will be the track. If you want to track the your inventory by the quantity or lot or unique serial number, click on that track inventory boolean. Okay, and also here the goods. It means your update quantity button will be the showing here. What will be the on hand quantity is showing 0. Let's go to the valuations. So here valuation is not created. Okay, and also let's show you the accounting entry first. Go to the general entries. So here is no any adjustment inventory accounting entries. Okay, let's show you the reports and go to the balance sheet. So here you can see current liabilities, current assets. Okay, so here is not reflect any inventory adjustment currently because I'm not updated any product inventory. Okay, let's I'm now going to update the inventory which product I'm created. Table set, I'm go to the inventory module and go to the product. I'm searching here the my product which is created table set. Yeah, that one, this product I'm created. Now click on the update. I want to update 30 quantity. Okay, and this stock will be the 30 in the inventory. Okay, now apply. Once I apply, the product cost is a 20 and I update the 30 on hand quantity. Okay, so if you want to see the report, valuation report, click on the valuation report. So here you can see the quantity is a 30 I am updated, but the what will be the total value of this is this value valuation for this product. And also see here you the reference product quantity updated by the mutual admin. Okay, so let's open the valuation entry. So here you can see unit cost. What will be the unit cost? Because this unit cost is set in the product, so this is the product cost. Okay, and what will be the quantity I updated 30. It means the product inventory is increased. Whenever the product inventory is increased, input account will be the credit and valuation account will be the debit. Okay, so this is the remaining quantities and also showing the general stock. And click on the other information. Here you can see the journal entry, what will be the impact in the accounting. Okay, so here you can see trim account, received account, this is the credit account, and valuation account will be the debit. Okay, and let's show you the profit and balance report and also the balance sheet report. Go to the accounting module, see balance sheet. So here you can see stock valuation account 600 and received account minus 600. It means its impact is a null. Okay, because 600 is a debit. Okay, and minus 600 is the credit. Okay, let's show you that account is a increase credit. If I decrease the quantity of the product, what will be the impact? Okay, now again go to the same product. I open the same product table set. What will my product is a table set. So I want to update the quantity is currently stock is a 30, but I want to update quantity is a 10. It means a 20 difference. Okay, so let's show you the valuation report first. So here you can see one inventory valuation adjustment is a 400 minus 400, because the 20 minus 20 quantity wise showing is because the 20 minus 20 is a difference. It means the stock your decrease. So let's show you the journal entry for this valuation product. So here you can see delivered account. Delivered account will be the debit, and valuation account will be the credit. Okay. So this is the my motive. What will be the impact in the inventory accounting, and what will be the adjustment, okay, of the product, and how to update the on hand quantity of the product. Okay, so go to the accounting module and open the balance sheet. So here you can see 400 will be the debit, and also the valuation account will be the valuation, because last time whenever see here is the 600, now is the what will be the reflect 400. 400 is a minus, it means it's showing here the 200. Okay, so this is the decrease quantity. So this is the inventory adjustment. If you have any question, please write down the comment box. So thank you.